Guys, in the last video, remember I started building the doghouse, so I was recording and I was gonna complete it, but my recorder broke kind of in a way. Well, it didn't technically break, I don't know. I just didn't break. I forgot to record. I take it back. And so I started building and I realized, oh, that's right, I need to record. So yeah, we have our doghouse. This is Doggy Island. Well, that's a great name. That's actually a really good name. That's a really good name. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. I'm gonna go get myself a sign. I'm gonna name that Doggy Island. Doggy Island. Now that I'm gonna have that made dogs, I'm probably gonna have like two. I'm gonna name one after. I'm gonna name it after the two dogs I have in my real world. One of my dogs, his name was Max. He died when I was like 3. Well, he wasn't technically mine. He was technically my older brother's. But I mean, yeah, whatever. What are you gonna do? So where are sticks? Over there. Myself a sign. Ta-da! And then what else can I make? I can make a lever. Oh, I can make a minecart or buckets. I'll make all those. So yeah. So here's my sign. I'm gonna write Doggy Island on here. That's a good name for the island. Ooh, land. I guess it's sort of considered an island, or yeah, in a way, I guess. I don't know. So I'm gonna put a sign like right over here. I'm gonna put it like on the edge of the island, right here, and I'm gonna write DOGGYISLAND, Doggy Island, and I'll put an exclamation mark, and then enter. Oh, oh. There we go. Doggy. So welcome to Doggy Island. At least I don't really need that. Yeah, just go float off in the water. I don't need you. You're worthless. You got no talent in the sea. Didn't what do you want to call it? You know what? Now that I am safe, now that I've got my spawn point spawned, I guess I'll turn my difficulty back to, I'll put it on easy, so it's not like so hard or something. There you go. Go back to the Zoom game. Probably, since this is the second episode on the channel, probably by maybe the 5th episode I'll have my skin. Right now I'm basically a Steve skin. Don't judge me though. Sorry, just getting some gum out. I feel like it. So yeah. Yeah. What do I want to do now? I think I have all the iron in here mostly. Well, not all of it, but guess I'll just take the gum out for now. Sounds weird with it. I need another piece of charcoal, don't I? Wood planks. I don't really need planks much, so. See how much iron I get to smelt. Probably not much. Probably like 1 piece. No, 2 pieces, I guess. Or maybe 3. No, maybe 3 actually. I don't know. I don't know if we'll make it for the 3rd one. You can do it! You can do it! And it did! Yay! 3 pieces of iron. And another piece right there. And another piece. You know what? Why don't we add all 3? I mean, I don't really need the planks. And besides, I'm surrounded by trees. Especially where I live right now. I'm surrounded by trees here in America. England, I don't know if you guys have trees. I mean, I know you guys have trees, but I don't know, like if you're watching this from England, if you are watching, I doubt you are, but if you are watching from England and you don't have trees, then, well, here's sort of what trees look like. Yeah. Now that my eyes smell, I'm just chewing my gum a little bit. Almost 5 pieces. I'll keep those sticks for when, if I need a bow. Do I need a wooden sword? I don't know. What could I use? I don't know. I can probably just keep these right here in my inventory now. So now I have 48 pieces of iron, which I could make blocks of iron. I could make 5. Or I could make iron armor. So it's a tough choice. Tough choice. I have an iron pickaxe, so I don't need another one of those. How much would that take? Oh, wow. Oh, I'd actually make 6. Alright. See, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Just to make 5 of them. 45 pieces of iron. Sure, why not? 4, 5. There. Most of my iron is gone, but it was worth it. Now I can actually turn them back into iron ingots. See? But I'm not gonna. So now we're starting to build my mansion. I guess. I mean, we haven't got much accomplished on this world, but so I think I'm gonna start roughly around. See, I want my front to kind of look up or towards. No, I have to figure this out before I start just placing blocks down everywhere and then realize, oops, I don't want them there. I kind of wish I had an ocean house. Oh, well, I built it here. I'm gonna suck it up. Really good spot. I think probably, yeah, I think this is where one side could be, like right here. So the sides will be 10 blocks long. So I can start like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. So I got the first 5 blocks of my house placed down. Yay, I guess. I don't know. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, yay. I don't know. I'll think of some way to celebrate, sort of. Actually, I have pumpkins, I have eggs, and there is sugarcane around here somewhere. There's sugarcane over there. Ow. So, pumpkin pie isn't my favorite pie. My favorite pie is actually blueberry and apple. Actually, I've had them mixed together before. That was really good. I call it blackle, I guess you can call it apple pie, or at-berry. Oh god. Stay back, stay back, stay back. Just leave you alone. Googly. If Googly's coming here and hurt my dog, hopefully my dogs, I can get them in time to be safe. So yeah, this is Dog Island. Thing is I don't have any dogs. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find some eventually. I'm only gonna have 2 dogs. I'm gonna name one Max and one Rocky. I wanted to name one Cupcake because, like, back when I played Minecraft on Pocket Edition, whenever I got a dog, I was named him Cupcake. I don't know why. Cupcakes were one of my favorite desserts. Probably why I did it. I don't know. So I have the sugar cane. Into a crafting table. Go make some sugar. Yes. I'll make 2 sugars. Okay, so then can I make a pie? I can. Oh, you need 1 sugar. Ah, crud. I thought I made 2 sugars. I don't know. So I'll make a pumpkin pie for when I get hungry. It's not my favorite pie, but oh well. We have an egg. Turkey wheat. Well, I'll make myself a cake later. Actually, I'm not hungry, so I don't really need to eat. I think. Oh, I some sugar cane. I could make. Like if I had sand, I could make a thing called Sugar Cane Island. Let's get up here without the drowned hurting us. Yeah, I know this is your territory, bud, but you're gonna have to live with it. Oh, he's coming. Oh, crud. Right. Drowned. Oh, he's just mixed up. He's like, boo. I'll call this episode Killing a Drowned. Yeah, here I'm wasting my time. I guess I won't plant my sugarcane. I'll probably make a thing called Sugarcane Island eventually. But we don't, well, that was a little bit glitchy. You don't really know though, we'll just plant the sugarcane right here for now. So I don't think it can be planted in grass. I could probably make a chest. I'm trying to make myself a chest. That's right, I don't need wood. Oh well. I'll just keep the sugarcane for now. Actually, yeah, that's right, I can put that in my inventory. Still have time for nothing. Oh well, what are you gonna do? There's my iron, there's my house, quote unquote. So, I guess I could go, I don't know, I'll probably just stay here and, let's see, how much iron do I have? I have 3. I could make iron sword. That would actually probably be helpful. I don't really need an iron pickaxe. My other one's doing pretty fine. So, let's see, I need 3 bows or 3 string. Well, I'll probably make myself an iron sword. Yeah, that would probably be the most helpful thing. So I have 1 iron ingot. Iron shovel, maybe. I don't know. So, yeah. I think I'll just go to bed right now. I could probably enjoy the sunset. I don't know. I don't know. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oops. That was a problem. Oh, dear. Oh, there you go. Sorry about that. No, I guess we didn't really get to enjoy the sunset. Oh, well. There you go. So that's how you sit. I only enjoy the moon. I know. I guess the sunset's gone, so we can go to bed for now. There you go. So anyway, sadly we have just about run out of time on this video, but I hope you did enjoy our little bit about 2% of progress. But just to celebrate us finishing our second video, I'm gonna eat this pumpkin pie, and yeah, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm just gonna sit down, enjoy Doggy Island for the last moment, of time we have here in this video. And so, yeah, I will see you guys all later. Bye!